In order to create a custom weaving pattern, you're going to need to draw a grid on the back of what will be your paper loom. I suppose you could just wing it, but planning it out gives you greater control over your design. I marked every ½ inch at the top of this paper. Your measurements might be different. Also pay attention to whether or not the end of the ruler is 0, or if the ruler has a mark that represents 0. Notice how I just slid my ruler down the page instead of turning the page around? That's because I have a section at the end that isn't quite ½ inch, and if I spun the paper around, my dots wouldn't line up. I'm then going to connect my dots using my ruler and draw a line straight across, and I'm going to repeat this all the way down to the other side of the paper, even though I'm going to stop the video halfway so that you can move on more quickly. I'm just going to repeat that same process on the other side of the paper so that I can create a grid. And you're just going to continue this process all the way to the other side of the page so you have a grid.